Marbites. Marbites.
Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, it's me, Rogue Marby Scott, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back any new watchers or subscribers. Or you might be watching this video, or you might be a subscriber already and be watching this video because of things or videos that you have seen before. Let me just break it down to you and make things clear. It's holidays for me basically, and I am pretty much on a high and I am pretty much drinking right now, so I don't know how this look is going to come out. I literally have just done my base, and I have done my base after drinking two bottles of wine, and yeah, we're gonna see what we're gonna do with this eyeshadow. So my whole thought was, let me just do like a brown burgundy sort of kind of purpley look. I don't know, like it's really hot right now. Like the UK is not supposed to be this hot. It's meant to be kind of cool and calm. It's not supposed to be this temperature, but whatever, we're gonna work with it, and yeah, we'll see what we will do. So my palette of choice today is the Sugar Trip Squad from NYX or NYX, as you can see here, and I'm just going to create something light, dusty, and not too in your face. So we're gonna go in with our fair shade. And what is our fair shade gonna be? I think we're gonna go for this like camel tone here and use that in our inner corners and just keep blending until we get to a darker shade, okay? So going in with a tapered flat brush, I'm going in with that camel tone and I'm using it on the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm just spreading that and packing that on to like literally halfway through my eyelids, just because I want the inner corners to appear more uplifted than usual. Using a blending brush, I'm now going to pack on that shade right there, as you can see, and I'm going to pack that on basically just where I've stopped with the camel tone, and then I'm going to blend that into the camel tone. So I'm just packing and blending, and I was quite amazed at how this brush picked up the pigment, because it is a really cheap brush, but it worked for me anyway. So I'm just going to keep doing that until I'm happy and sufficeable, and then move on to creating a wing, which I didn't actually intend. Now if you're wondering why my face is orange, it's because I was copying a jacket ironer video, and yeah, I got bored and then stopped midway. Anyway, going in with that nice dusty brown, I'm using a pencil brush, or is it a fluffy brush? I can't see, I'm moving way too fast, and I'm using a card to create a nice sharp line for this look, and I'm just blending that in to that pinkish purple tone that I've got there, or should I say it's more of a fuchsia color, and I'm just blending that in, creating that uplifted eye, and then I'm going to do the same on the other side. And as you can see now, I'm putting on some highlighter. Now I'm not even too sure why I brought the highlighter all the way down to my mouth, but I did, and I'm just going to blend that out also using the leftover foundation on my foundation brush, and that's what I am doing right here. So as you can see, I'm putting that highlighter on. I really love this highlighter. I really love it on my skin, especially when your skin's a little lighter. It looks really nice. But anyway, moving on. So as you can see, I'm using that foundation brush that I was blending my foundation in before, and I'm just blending that highlighter in all over my face and trying to make it look seamless as possible. I had kind of run out of like setting spray at this point, so yeah, I did go and buy some more. Anyway, so I'm just blending that in, and then I'm going to highlight my nose and my forehead with that same highlighter, which can sometimes come across very bronze, or it can come across bronzy and purplish depending on where the light hits it and everything. But anyway, moving on, I'm going to go on and go underneath my eyes using that same fluffy brush. I'm just creating a nice smoke effect underneath my eyes using that same fuchsia color that I used on my eyelids. Then I'm going to add a yellow, no, it's a gold highlighter, and it's from the Sugar Trip Squad highlighting palette. And I really liked the yellow or the gold. However, I wanted to go a bit like stark, so I mixed in some white highlighter into that and just created this like wow highlighted effect. Yes, clearly I was under the influence because, you know, my best friend was coming to see me, and also we were celebrating my birthday, July the 24th. So yeah, happy belated birthday to me in this video, and thank you if you do say happy birthday in the comments down below. Anyway, moving on to my lips, I decided to use a metallic purple lipstick, and then I'm going to mix in a matte brown nude lip on the sides and blend those in together and continue on with the look, as you can see. So homospaiens and Marbites, that's how I got the look, and I am so drunk right now. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the look, and I will see you soon. Totally didn't know what I was going to do, but I'm actually quite feeling this look, considering that I've got somewhere to go now. Well, have drinks with my bestie. Okay? Anyway, I'll see you soon. Bye!
Rogue Marby Scott.